Welcome to Fluent English with Shah to Education Report. Today we talk about time management and why it is important for students and personal success. This report is in slow and easy English for learners around the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1. Introduction. Time is one of the most valuable things in life. Every student has 24 hours in a day. However, some students use their time wisely, while others struggle to manage it. Experts say good time management can improve education, reduce stress, and create better opportunities. Today, we discuss how a student can manage time more effectively. Part 2. Why time management matters. Students often have many responsibilities. They attend classes, complete homework, prepare for exams, and manage personal activities. Without proper planning, students may feel stressed and overwhelmed. Experts say time management helps students stay organized and focused. Good planning also improves productivity and confidence. Students who manage time well usually complete tasks more successfully. Part 3. Creating a daily routine. Teachers encourage students to create daily routines. A routine helps students develop discipline and consistency. For example, students can set specific times for studying, resting, and exercising. Many successful students follow routine every day. Experts believe routines reduce distractions and improve concentration. Simple habits can create long-term success. Part 4. Avoiding distractions. Modern technology creates many distractions for students. Social media, games, and entertainment videos often take too much time. Experts say students should avoid unnecessary distractions during study time. Some students turn off notifications or place phones away while studying. This helps improve focus and productivity. Managing distractions is an important part of time management. Part 5. Setting goals. Goal setting helps students stay motivated. Experts encourage students to create short-term and long-term goals. For example, finishing homework on time, improving grades, learning new skills. Clear goals help students use time more effectively. Students who plan ahead often feel more confident and prepared. Part 6. Balance between study and rest. Experts say balance is important. Students should study hard, but they also need rest and relaxation. Sleep, exercise, and healthy meals improve concentration and energy. Students who rest properly often perform better in school. Time management is not only about studying, it is also about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Part 7. Final message. Time management is a skill that can change lives. Students who use time wisely often become more successful and confident. Experts encourage students to start with small changes, create a routine, avoid distractions, set goals, stay disciplined. Every small step matters. Final message. You have been listening to Education Report. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing English every day and never stop learning. Please like, share, and subscribe for more education report videos and easy English lessons. See you in the next time. Thank you very much.